Checking out today's video and being part of
ride, talk to you guys a little bit about that. I know I dropped Appreciate y'all stopping by the channel and checking out today's video content. Impromptu unboxing of the Ruroc Carbon Nebula helmet. Now, everybody's doing the 4.0. I'm actually doing the Nebula Carbon for the 3.0 Atlas. Some people might be asking, why in the world did you get a 3.0 so close to the release of the 4.0? Today is February 17th, Thursday. It releases tomorrow. This is the helmet that even got me interested in the Ruroc brand back in October when I started bike riding. I wanted this helmet. They, of course, were sold out because it was a limited edition helmet. They only made 650 of them. Somehow, between then and February, they ended up getting 4 returns. 3 of them were for extra large, and 1 of them was for a double X. And so I went ahead and placed my order for the single double X. It finally came today. Shout out to Ruroc because they actually got this to me early. It's not supposed to be here until February 21st. Outside of that, I also have here my current helmet setup that I predominantly use, which is my Icon Synthwave Airflight helmet. I'm not going to do a full in-depth review, but just as you can see, I'm really into the purple, blues, and the pinks. I think they accent the bike that I have and the color that I have very well. If you're not aware, go check out my other videos talking about the Yamaha R7. This helmet does glow in the dark. This helmet cost me $290 back in October once again, so probably now you'll find it a lot cheaper. Took some decal stickers off of Amazon, like a sticker pack, and I covered up the big Icon Motorsports branding they had. I switched out the visor. It came with a clear one. I put a chrome one to match the windscreen on my Yamaha R7. And then I put a metallic blue spoiler on to match the blue on my bike. Got a little Bluetooth system hooked up internally so I can answer calls and listen to music. This came with a gold visor. I switched it out and put a blue visor on. Overall, if I had to give you guys a rating just off the top of my head, for value, for functionality, for customizability, its attractiveness, how good does this helmet look? In my opinion, I give this helmet a 7 out of 10. I would definitely say this is a great helmet to invest in if you're looking for a solid helmet under $300. I am not affiliated with them. Let's jump right in. I paid $813 for this. That included the helmet, the Shockwave, Bluetooth unit, pin lock visor, shipping and handling, and tax. This was a birthday gift. My birthday is February 19th. Today is the 17th. So I got it a few days early. I don't have any good riding weather coming up until the 20th, so I won't be able to really ride and test this baby out until Sunday. Me being a new rider, I don't have the experience with helmets like that. I've worn 3 different types of helmets. I've worn this, Arfa, and a Scorpion. Really, this is the one I've settled on, and this will be my second settled on helmet. Hopefully. Let's see. We'll see how I feel once I get into this box. Looks a lot better in person. It feels good to hold it. It's definitely a light helmet. I would say it just has a rich color. Came with the helmet bag. So this is like the Atlas manual. I've been convinced that the 4.0 is definitely a better and superior helmet to this. This was the best the company had to offer up until the release of the 4.0, which happens tomorrow. But I like what I see. Clear visor is what we got here that came on the helmet. And then they give you like the midnight blacked out visor. It does have 3 vent ports on the top of the helmet. For airflow, they are non-toggleable, so you cannot control them. It also has a vent in here for the mouth to control the wind flow. So for me, I'd be looking at spending another $100 to make this feel and control wind noise almost to the point of the 4.0. I have 14 days to return this helmet if I don't want it. I'm not seeing myself doing it. So we got that. It did come with some dope decal stickers. Came with a keychain. This is the fog resistant lens. Then we got the Shockwave here. Already built in and integrated into the helmet if you're unaware of how Ruroc does their Bluetooth comms. And it goes right there across the bottom. Now that I've got everything out on the table, I don't feel as though I got gypped or, it wasn't a good value. The only thing left to do now is to put this thing on and really see how do I feel about it on my head. Cleaned everything up, as you can see. So I got the pin lock installed, I got the shockwave installed, I switched out the visor, putting it on for the first time, and firing up the comms, firing up the Bluetooth. That felt great. It sounds a lot better than the Amazon, like $25 Amazon Bluetooth headphones I have in here. I will say this, it does not fit as snugly as this helmet, which actually is kind of refreshing. And you know, I'm looking forward to the next release of Ruroc. You know, 5 maybe come next fall or something like that. If you want to see any more videos like this in regards to how I set up my helmet, let me know in the comments below. I appreciate y'all so much for checking me out today. I'll catch y'all on the next one. Peace!